Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your Spotify's audio quality in the settings. It's pretty simple. So you want to click on your Spotify's profile picture at the top left corner of your screen and click on settings and privacy. From inside over here, scroll a bit down and click on audio quality. And on audio quality, make sure your very high is selected, both for streaming and for cellular streaming. Once very high is selected in both of them, basically you have done it. And over here where it says auto adjust quality, just turn it off. Once that is off, you have basically done it. Now you should be able to listen music on very high quality. Now remember, unless you have Spotify Premium, you will not be able to use very high, so keep that in mind. And the second thing you can do is you want to go on over here where it says playback. From inside playback, you can click on equalizer. And you can play around with the equalizer until you find the correct sound quality you want. I cannot tell you the exact setting for equalizer because the setting for equalizer is different for different mobiles, so try to play around with it until you find the correct, sound quality you find, and basically you have done it. So I hope you understand how you guys can change Spotify's audio quality in settings. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.